Hey guys, today I'm going to do another skincare first impressions and I'm really excited. So yeah, I have a cleansing balm, I have a cleanser, moisturizer, new mask, new face spray and stuff, so let's just get into it. The first thing is the thing I'm most excited for. This is the Clean at Zero cleansing balm from Vanilla Co. You guys know that I absolutely love my Clinique one, so I'm so excited to try a different brand and see, which one I like better. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's really cute. It actually feels like it's empty. It's really weird. It's such a light, product. But yeah, it comes with a little lid, and it also comes with a little spatula thing. So this is how it looks. I just got mine off the Morphe website. And yeah, it seems like it's got a fair bit of product in it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this how I normally do my Clinique one. So just get a little bit. I feel like I probably got too much. Oh my god, you can see the makeup coming off already. Oh, kind of smells like goon. Why? Why do all of my skincare lately smell like that? It smells like goon mixed with bubblegum. I'm not so sure what I think of that scent. But anyway, I'm just gonna give it a good rub. And then I'm just gonna wet my hands and rub it, and then I'll use my blush off to take it all off. Okay, so first impression, it seems really nice. It took my makeup off really well. So yeah, I don't really notice a huge difference between this one and the Clinique one, but I think we'll see how we go long term, I guess, because my favorite thing about the Clinique one is that it does not irritate my skin. So we'll see how this one goes long term. And if this one doesn't irritate my skin, then I feel like it'll just come down to a matter of price, really. So yeah, I'm excited. So far I really like that. It worked really well, which is great. And I do really like how it's got the little scoop thingy. Alright, next I'm a little bit scared for this one because I tried out the Himalayan charcoal mask and it really burnt my skin, but we're going to try out the Body Shop Himalayan charcoal purifying clay wash, and hopefully this one doesn't irritate my skin. It says gentle face wash that cleanses away dirt and impurities, leaves skin feeling purified and pores unclogged. Excess oil appears removed and skin appears mattified, non-drying, avoid eye area. So let's give it a go. I'm just going to use a little bit. Okay, I might need a little bit more. It smells really nice. I'm just rubbing it all in and I'll wet my hands in a minute. And alright, I'm just going to emulsify that now. And then once again take it off with my blush off. Okay, so I feel like I really like that one too. It did have a slight tingle, but it was nothing like the mask at all. It was a lot more gentle than the mask, so that's great. But no, I do really like that. I feel like my skin feels really clean and really nice. So now I'm going to try out a face mask. So the face mask I'm going to take today is, I got this one as a sample from Lush, and it's called Cuppa Coffee, and it just says it's an exfoliating mask, so I'm guessing you just put it on. It honestly smells exactly like coffee. I feel like I'm only going to get one use out of this little sample pot because it is so thick. You need quite a bit to spread it around, But yeah, if I like this I might have to repurchase it. I'll go, when I go downstairs or whatever, I'll see how long it says to sit with it on and all that kind of stuff, and see what it says, so I can tell you a bit more about it when I come back up. But yeah, I can't really touch my hands, touch my phone at the moment, so. Okay, so that's all on now. I feel like that's the best I can kind of do. It feels nice and it smells really nice. Like, I love coffee, so. Alright, I'm gonna wash this off my hands now, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, and yeah, wait for this to set, and then I'll come back up to take it off. Okay, this is all dry now. I feel like I actually really like this mask. It feels really nice. So now I'm just gonna take it off. So yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, that actually came off really easy. I thought it was going to be really hard to get off, but yeah, it was really easy. So now I'm going to have a shower. I'm going to take the Bath & Body Works Shanta's Blueberry Shortbread and also the Soap & Glory Breakfast Scrub. And then when I get out, I'm going to use the Santa's Blueberry Shortbread Cream. So yeah, I'm going to have a shower now, do that, and then I'll be back to try out like the moisturizer and yeah, the spray and stuff. Okay, I really want to wear this top, but it just looks so stupid, like, with my bra, and it's such a nice top, it's so annoying. Anyway, so I just had my shower, I've just brushed my teeth, put my moisturizer on, I smell incredible, so good. And now we're going to finish up the skincare. I just sprayed a bit of Brazilian Crush. Alright, so first I'm going to do lip scrub, and this is the Body Shop Warm Vanilla Sugar Lip Scrub. I've never tried their lip scrubs before. Oh my god. Okay, that was really nice. It was like, it's a lot gentler than like the Lush ones, which I honestly don't mind the Lush ones. Like, I really do love the Lush ones. They're very like exfoliating, whereas that was more like a lip scrub and a lip balm. But yeah, that was really nice. I really like that. I'm going to try the Lucid Moisturizer today. This is from Lucid Skincare. I tried out their hydrating serum a while ago. I loved it, so let's try this. Oh, it smells very nice, like very clean and just like fresh. It kind of smells like handmade soap, kind of, you know, just like very natural and like, I don't know, just really nice. Oh, that does feel really, really nice. And I feel like, you know what? I think it's sunk in. I don't think that it's gonna sit on top of my skin. Just so nice. Oh yes, straight away. Oh yeah, that's really, really nice. Super lightweight, super just straight into my skin, no sitting on top. I really love that. And now I'm just gonna put on the Body Shop Vitamin C Energizing Face Mist. I really like the smell. It's very citrusy. I mean, obviously it's vitamin C, but it does feel really nice. Like I said, I feel like this would be a good one to have at work, just to, you know, get you through the day. It does feel very like a nice, very fresh wake up, you know? This isn't new, but I need a lip balm. This is the Fenty one, the Hint Hint Luscious Lip Balm. And it feels really good. Okay, so that is everything, and today everything is A+, pretty much. I love it all. The only thing, no, I feel like I love it all, honestly. Like, I'm really happy. The Body Shop face wash was a little bit tingly, like I said, but honestly it was nothing like to write home about. I feel like I was just already skeptical of it because of what happened with the mask, but apart from that, I really, really like it. Everything else was really good. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any other skincare and stuff you want to see me try out. Yeah, super happy with today's video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!